Meaning of manifold.
Manifold. Manifold.
Noun. Definitions. 1. A pipe or chamber in an engine, especially an inlet manifold or exhaust manifold, that distributes or collects gases or fluids. 2. A set of points or objects that can be continuously deformed into each other. A topological space that is locally Euclidean. A surface or higher dimensional analog of a surface. Examples. 1. The intake manifold was clogged with dirt and debris. 2. The mathematician studied the properties of high-dimensional manifolds. Adjective. Definitions. 1. Many and varied, numerous. 2. Having multiple parts or aspects. Examples. 1. The city's manifold attractions drew tourists from all over the world. 2. The company's manifold interests include real estate, finance, and technology. Note: the definitions and examples are directly from the Oxford English Dictionary.
Manifold. Manifold.